Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's gonna be just a really quick video today of this standing desk that I got. I bought the frame, this motorized frame from Titan Fitness, and then I made the top myself. The desk on Titan Fitness is called Dual Motor Electric Adjustable Height A6 Sit Stand Desk. It's around $300 because it has two motors, because I wanted something that had a nice heavy capacity that would be able to lift this wooden top that I made. They also sell their own tops and they're not that expensive, like $60 to $70. I just wanted to make this to match some other stuff in my house. So I'm just gonna do kind of like a sped up version of assembling the desk and making the tabletop. I do wanna say, the desk itself was really easy to assemble. I mean, incredibly easy. I hardly had to follow the directions at all. The motors are nice and strong. I could sit on this thing with the wooden top and it had no problem lifting up and going down. Yeah, so far everything's been great. I've only had it for a couple of weeks, so I'm a little hesitant whether, you know, in the long term, I don't exactly know how things are gonna go. But in the short term, things have been really great so far. I will warn you that the frame itself, even without the tabletop, is incredibly heavy. So it's all this pretty heavy gauge steel. So it seems really durable, but just keep that in mind that it's pretty heavy. I just wanna look up some stats here. So static load capacity of this desk is 310 pounds. The moving load, it says, is 265 pounds. And let's see, the weight of the frame of the desk with the motors and everything without the tabletop is 84 pounds. So it is very heavy, especially once we took some dimensional lumber, planed it down, cut it down with a table saw, and then used pocket holes to screw it all together. It's a pretty heavy piece of wood, so it's a very heavy desk. We won't be moving it pretty much ever, other than up and down. Yeah, the one thing that I have noticed is we kind of have, the legs are not evenly spaced on mine, because I wanted my desktop computer to go under the far right side. So one of the motors is handling more weight than the other. And so after going up and down a bunch of times, they do seem to get out of sync, but it's pretty easily fixed. You can either take the desk to the highest position all the way to the top and it'll kind of recalibrate, or you can go all the way to the bottom and it'll recalibrate. That was something that I was worried about from the get-go. I don't have any other desk to compare it to, but just the fact of it having two motors, I was curious how they kept the same speed. And so it seems that because the heavier side, the motor moves a little bit slower, it will get out of sync, but it's really easy to fix. So I just wanted to throw that out there. It's also really, really quiet. hopefully you enjoy the assembly and putting together everything on this desk. Thanks so much for watching Break It Yourself, and we'll see you next time.